Let's just get started. I feel like music's too loud. Good enough, I guess. Maybe even too quiet. No. I'm so used to tree being right here, but there is no tree anymore. It should be live. Am I streaming and not recording? It sometimes happens. So yeah, I guess let's start with editing helix configuration. What's it? Config toml. Now let me copy this. I think this should be should probably be able to do something like this. No, I feel like it should be in a group, inline diagnostics, but I'm not sure. Also, I wanted to try remapping, as Nigel suggested. Control HL. Oh my god, this is definitely other hand for me. Oh, did I just press escape a few times? Okay, so this is buffer navigation. How do I... Oh wait, no, I do colon bn. Should probably colon bn and colon bp. I kind of forgot that you could do gn. Okay, I guess I'm gonna try that. Anyway, easy Satan, Tmax, HX. Okay, so yeah, I can't do that. Config helix, config. So I guess I should do that instead. I remember the time when I was like, no way I can ever like get model editing. Okay, I can do that. And now I've used new Vim Helix and whatever Emacs. Well, hello Nigel. Now Helix is it gonna start? Nope. Okay, how do I can I even do that? File picker. Config mode. Inline, same line. So we were using hint. Is there a way you can set it in config? I'm getting coffee. Okay, so inline diagnostic section. The minimum severity of the diagnostic must have to be shown. Oh, I see. Line are on a line that does not contain the cursor line. Other lines, maybe I should set that, you know. Surrender before. That's interesting. Max warp, max diagnostics. So I'm gonna do error for this one. So I'm gonna try that, and also this should be an editor. Now should theoretically start. Yes. Page alloc rs. I was like, why am I not doing C? Okay, use of unstable library feature. Oh wait, that's just an import that, like, well, you know, when you type stuff, it just imports automatically. So it's an accidental import. So yeah, proper formatting. I do kind of need a way to format size, file size, or something like that. Create for expressing formatting and everything with file sizes. I feel like I don't need a create for that, to be honest. Oh, flags. Hey, oh wait, what? Yeah, it's stuff like that. I skipped like a lot of frames again. Maybe I need to get more RAM. Maybe. Just maybe. Const skip. No, I need format, huh? Need with formatting. I mean, I guess it has this as well. Okay, so let me do. By the way, it's still fetching QEMU. Let's do format. Oh, let's do create format. B. I would say well, not MB, like format size. So let me go there. Well, actually, you know what? I can put it into memory. So let's do struct, I guess. Public. Well, actually, let's do public use size, for example. And let's impl display for format size, because we can't. Yeah, you know, we can't actually have allocations here. I ditched the allocator, I removed the allocator. It had too many problems. So we're gonna check if self 0 is greater than. Also, it would be good to implement the ref delegate the ref impl, and then let's do also the ref mute, just in case. Just like, why not? So then can I do? I mean, I can do like, I'll do some 0. So if it is bigger than, let's define like meep. Wait, let's start with kilobyte, kibibyte 104, or hex 400. Actually, I like this more. Meep, keep. I don't know. Maybe I should use all hex. Oops. Actually, let's see. We'll come back. We're just writing a formatter for numbers right now. Let's also do tib. What comes after 1024 TB? TB byte. Oh wait, it's peep first, then tib. Wait, hold on. Yeah. No, it's tib first. Okay, so let's go TB byte, terabyte, same things, but well, almost same things. Let's go in gig. First. Okay, it's not gigabyte. It's not in order. Okay, so this is like a lot. Oh wait, I did 1.4. So yeah, it's tip, then it comes to peep, right? Or tip, should be 1 PB byte, whatever. There are also others, but I'm not gonna include them. Obviously, we can't even exceed the 4 gigs in current configuration. So if this is greater than peep, well, should I? Well, let's actually do each one by 10, and it's not 16 or something. It's 10. It's gonna be 10. I'm gonna write into formatter. As f32 divided by peep as f32. Oh wait, no. We're gonna have this in else. So here we're gonna do integer division. So we're just gonna divide it with simple rules. So now this is do we put a space in here? Oh my god, what is this? Why is this? Why does this look so? Why does the icon look so bad? COU 256 dark hard. Oh my god. This reminds me of something. This team reminds me of something. I can't really recall what. Anyway, I guess so do we put a space in here? I don't know. Let's do space. I don't know. So this is gonna be is this how you do this? If self 0 then PIB This is equal to, actually I should do. Well, in the last else we're just gonna do bytes, and like what it's gonna be just B. I guess it's just gonna be capital B. Now let's do one more else. So P, then T, then this is also gonna be T, and this is gonna be T. Now I need to duplicate this for gigabytes, megabytes, and kilobytes. Where not really. Team. Now this is. Wait, I can't really replace it like that. Anyway, let's do it manually. By 10. Maybe I shouldn't line it all, you know. Maybe. And yeah, this plot, I mean, that's not the best info, honestly. I could just do a dot with manually, but I guess that's what I'm gonna do. So, JB, G. Well, maybe I should do something different than just a lot of ifs. No. Let me try prototyping. To K, or let's do kilo. Well, let's not even do that. Let's do let mute value equals self-zero. We'll let it mutable. Let mute order. We'll keep it as 0. Then we're gonna while it's greater than 1, shift it to the left by order. Well, this shouldn't be use size, to be honest. It should be use 64 actually. So 1 shifted left by order times 4. Oh wait, no, times 10. It's like we go 1k. So order 0, then its value is greater than that. Well, let's do order plus 1. So while order plus 1 is still less than or equal to value, we're gonna divide value by, well, just shift it right by 10, so we're consistent, and then increase order by 1. And then let's do let orders be an array with 0 being bytes, then KB bytes, and MIB bytes, GB bytes, TB bytes, and PB bytes, whatever. I'm like so familiar to like regular naming scheme, but it's kilobytes, megabytes. Even though I know for a long time how it's messed up. Anyway, orders. So and order is less than orders len. So order plus 1. Then we're gonna increase order, and then I'm just gonna put a single guard. So if value is greater than 10, then we're gonna do this. Greater than or equal to. We're gonna do value self orders. Wait, not self, just orders. Order should work. Else we're gonna put in so we're gonna put in value like that. We're gonna divide it by 10 here. Then we're gonna value reminder and something like this. Build run. So I wanted to show to print. Wait, that's panicking. Okay, let's just add a print here. Great. Print ln, yes, that's how OSDev goes. Address limit, this value. Also, we can remove the comment. Yeah, so I did a bit of conveying, let's just say. I mean, it was a 100% C code base, but right now it's pretty much 100% Rust code base. I was kind of surprised it got merged so quickly. I feel like I'm gonna have to explain a lot of stuff here. So yeah, if we take a look at Yazi right now, well, actually let's do find here and grep for .c. I don't really know. Wait, like that. Well, let's ignore cache, Clang format. So we have one C file, test.c. That's it. So let's do a $sign. Invalid escape, huh? Backslash dot is invalid escape sequence, but I am literally using it. What? So yeah, I'm not quite sure how Jax feels about that, but I've asked him to use Rust partially because I was like where we are at right now, but in C, and I had to like write a page allocation. So I had to allocate page info table. I was like, oh man, I need linked lists or whatever. I don't want to be implementing all of this in C. I want my high level stuff. And then I asked him, and I guess he agreed to Ralph being here. And yeah. Also, I have misspelled. Like, where am I? This is so unusual to me. This tab colors. Why is like active tab the same color as the rest of the space? I don't get it. So format size. Where's? Wait, it's memory. I need page alloc. Exactly. Here, create memory. Put that in here. So let's test the formatter. Run. Okay, it's not working. No, why? Let's go to memory. Yes, I'm refactoring. So this is gonna be U64. So I said 64, not 54, not 44. That's not how many bits we have in current systems. So yeah, I want this to be platform independent. So like on a 32-bit system, you can at most have 4 gigabytes of RAM, but you can have like a terabyte of hard drive easily. So I guess I'm keeping it 64-bit. Okay, address limit is okay. So this is broken. This should not be displayed like that. Value orders order. So yeah, I decrement by try it by 10 bits. I don't know why. Oh wait, I know why. While value is greater than or equal to 1 shifted left by 10. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it as 1 shifted left by 10 and not a constant, because consistency. So if it's greater than 1 shifted left by 10 and order, and I can increase order safely, I do that. So this should work. So we thought in total we have 127 megabytes for some reason, which is the same thing basic memory info was saying. Can I print regions? Create println. By the way, this feels a bit too big now. Yeah, I think I need a bit smaller. So it, I just went a folder. Region. Dropping frames again. Yes, I am, and that's network. Oh my god. Hold on, I think I might know why. No, I don't. I don't know why why am I dropping all the... Yeah, I hate my internet provider. I hate my internet provider at this point. Oh, I'm gonna message. Let's see. Huh? Oh, it's fine now. My internet provider joins the stream. Just kidding. I guess there's no point to check now, because it's gonna mess stuff up. Hopefully it's not gonna drop anymore. Okay, so we're gonna do debug formatting. Okay, by the way, you know T2, Nigel? You know T2 Linux. Regions LAN space address 4 gigs reserved available. That's a lot. Yeah. One Control G, release my grab. How can you not know T2? T2 is the... Wasn't it you who was saying we have similar accents? T2, this guy. Huh? What's are only for subs? Oh, T2 language. No, I wasn't saying T2 language. What is this? I wonder. Oh, by the way, clips are free to watch. I don't think he has a language.
Ja. Sagen wir ihn gleich. Polizei!
What is that? Oh my god.
Polizei!
This is loud. What is that?
Alles sicher?
Bro, oh my god, come on. First of all, I don't really know what this word means. Please stop dropping frames. That's an interesting translation, to be honest. What was that? Like, I mean, yeah, that's interesting. So, you know T2? No. You know T2. So if we take a look at his recent broadcasts, and of course I can't watch any of them. Well, maybe I can. It's nice show. Things only for subs, so I guess no. I would assume no. Yeah, sadly. So I saw the stream Someone found out his address and called the SWAT police on him, which is a public service in many countries. Oh my god. Okay, so I did not know this thing existed, I guess. So yeah, this stream, I think it was called differently when I joined, but I think he was doing a he was like, I'm gonna do a microkernel. So I asked a few questions. I don't think he noticed any. The worst. I mean, I guess they kind of got it live, which is interesting. Anyway, 1330388080. Oh my god. 0388080. So that's the number. Need to be careful. I mean, hopefully I'm not gonna show my address to anyone. Okay, so 126 megs actually. And yeah, adding starting address. So yeah, we actually have 127 megabytes of RAM in QEMU. It has started. Give me set RAM. Does it actually like give me just 128 megs? He showed his address, so you just figured it out. How? How? Like, imagine a person just walking outside and like, oh, I hear T2 streaming. I'm gonna call it. I mean, I would guess that's kind of what happens, like physically. I mean, I have my classmates who know my address and can call police like that, but you know, in our country it doesn't really work like that. RAM, the sham timeout. Okay, so yeah, it is 128 megs. Let's do 1 gigabyte, just for the sake of it. I'll have to run it manually. Dash M. Let's do 1 G, and it should be saying. So yeah, 123 MB. It's like 1 megabyte less than I expected. Why? Why? Like actually, why? I don't get it. Oh, 123 MB. Oh, by the way, I messed up the memory thingy. Like, you know, here, I feel like I'm in memory file. That's what messes up my brain in this color scheme. So if value, so here I'm dividing value by 10, that's not how it was supposed to go. I will do self 0 shifted right by order times 10. So I'm gonna multiply it by 10, shift it right, and then rem10. This should work. This done. So I kind of don't get why I can't do 1G. Let's do 1.1 and see what happens. Oh great, it says 0.1 now. Why? No, I don't get this at all. Memory. Okay, my formatting is off. I can definitely tell. Value, for some reason value is 0. If value is greater than or equals to 1 shifted left by 10, then we shift it right by 10. So it should be at least 1, right? I guess it should be at least 1, but for some reason it's not. Here. Well, length should be right. Looks right. Why is it saying 0.1? Let's do just create print line of value order separately. So address name 0.1. It's not showing, huh? What? Oh wait, I'm not rebuilding it. Okay, so yeah, since I changed it, I did not rebuild it, I forgot. Build sh, I can actually do this, and then qemu and run it with 1.1 gigs. No, it says 1.1. Oh my god, what is that? Division reminder 10. I think this is, it should be in parentheses, which means this does not have to be in parentheses. So multiply first, I think that's right. Let's build first. Then run it, and we should have 1.0 for some reason. I don't get why. Let's try. Let's try putting an address. So I'm gonna do this region. This is the last available region. So I'm gonna put cursor here. 10.4.8.5.7.6 here. Add the length, which is 11.799.42. I think I'm actually not adding it 912. I think I'm actually taking the length itself. So now I divide it by 400, and I divide it by 400, and then I divide it by the oh my god, 400. Well, actually, I mean, maybe I am taking the right thing. It's just gigabytes, not kibibytes. Yeah, and address, which means can I do JB here? Set expected non-negative number options. Kilo mega gigapeta. Okay, let's do. Let me do 1.1 manually. 1.1 gigabytes is this is kilobytes. Mega giga. This amount of bytes. Stream's glitching. Oh my god. Network. Why? I'm actually gonna. Reconnecting now. Live now. Let's see. It. I hope it will work better. I mean, I would say it should work worse, but I mean, well, actually, it kind of makes sense. Anyway, we'll see. Hopefully, it works better. Now, so what was this number? Let's do just to be safe. We cannot allocate memory below 2 to the 64th power. And exabytes respectively. And get. Oh, so yeah, I need a suffix. This is 1.0 still, huh? I don't get it. So I did this, which let me take the values, subtract this number 10.4.8.5.7.6, and we should get 11.800. Well, it's already different than what I expected. Huh. It's all reserved. I don't get it. It's not either it's not formatting right, or it's not, or it's just not right. Or the values are not right. Okay, let me just print it twice. Maybe the value is not right. Maybe it's like page aligned or whatever. I do 2G. 2G should be like 1.8. So this is value order. Yeah, I don't have that. Let's try to G and see. Yeah, it says 1.9. Wait, I did not rebuild it. I mean, I would guess it kind of works. So value is still weird. I'd say close enough anyway. That was how much time wasted, and we don't have skipped frames. Should be fine. Should be right. That was 40 minutes wasted on like just displaying numbers. Great. Anyway, so here we have get the address limit. We just go through the memory map, and I feel like I'm gonna leave this code. I mean, I can just get a number, but it's really nice on grab providing me another tag, and I'm just gonna leave the memory map tag. So if address limit is outside of my use size range, I can't handle that much memory. I mean, maybe we will add this ability later. Then we compute the entries. Compute the size of a page table, page info table. No, wait. Page info table. Now we actually need to do page allocations and map page info table. For context, page info table here, I'm not quite sure how it should be called. Oh my god, no, not again. So I'm not quite sure how it's called in other systems, I guess. But page info table here is a table for each single physical page. We associate a struct to it, which in this case holds a single 32-bit number, which is the amount of times this page has been allocated. 4 keystrokes. Yeah, I'm not used to GN actually. I need to learn this shortcut. Let me actually check. Yeah, it works. GN is actually pretty good. I know Control H HL could be even faster. Like I have control remapped to my caps lock, and sometimes I use it. You know, I kind of started using it at this point. Okay, so let's do static mute allocator, which is not what you think the allocator is. It's gonna be page allocator. Allocator. Page allocator. Well, we'll figure it out. Let me create an enum here. Let's do enum. Page allocator. So it's gonna be 2 options. Early, which is gonna have a physical address. So let's do alloc start is physical address. And then we have what else I wanted to do. I wanted to do something. I wanted to do another field for some reason here. Oh, boot info. Boot info, that's what we need. So we'll have a reference to multi-boot to boot information. And I guess I'm gonna turn it into a pointer. Although const pointer don't need it to be mutable because I can't really control lifetimes here. So we have early and page info table. Wait, did I just mix up snake case and camel case? So page info table will have page info table, which is gonna be a let's do mute pointer page info. I do need to make this like work. I do need to make this work for like multiple threads, multiple cores. I mean, I have mutexes, and I guess spin, the spin crate. So mutex, whatever else. So I can do that, but I guess later. So let me do early. Start. Well, can I actually do a nonsense one? Let's do null or none. Let's do none. I can just do that. It's gonna be much safer. So yeah, we have some kernel symbols. Then we have page info entry. That's what I was saying. Functions alloc page. Now if, or let's do match match allocator. Which I can't access unless I use unsafes. I know for sure it's not gonna be mutated while I access it. Now none. Let's do panic, and I have a panic hook. I have everything. It redirects to the thing. Page allocator is not set up. I'm actually gonna demonstrate it right here, but a bit later. So yeah, we'll leave to do on those. Let me actually open build script, run it. It's gonna work. No, it's not, because I have some setup here. So here I'm gonna comment this out for now. I'm gonna do let page info table. Well, actually no, I'm gonna comment this out as well. Run again. Nope. Boot information. A lifetime parameter. Okay, again. It's lifetime a static. Whatever. I don't care. I mean, I can't have static, to be honest. Here, I guess I'm gonna have to mess up lifetimes. I don't like this, because I need to have a specific behavior for the page allocator. Early page alloc address. Where is it? Oh, here. Well, I mean, this is this is panic. This panics 100% of the time, so I guess I'm gonna keep it. Move cursor cache allocator. Okay, I need a reference to it. Okay, what else? Where am I setting an early page alloc address? Oh, here. Then I'm setting it again. Yeah, I can remove this part. Now, this is gonna boot up and mapped. What? Oh, I mean, maybe it did actually map without any allocation. Did I even test mapping with allocation? I'm not sure now. 400 FFFE. Let's do 3FF and 400. So I map the 3FF to address to the same page as 400,000. And that's all in the kernel address space. So it should fail because it needs, it needs an. So in order to map this specific address, it's outside of already mapped page table, so it needs to create a new page table, which forces page allocator to allocate pushing mocha theme cat put. Oh my god, how do you type this? Why am I even typing it if I can just tab it? I mean, Oh my god, it's close, but I feel like it's different from my terminal. Well, actually, maybe it's the same. Anyway, so yeah, it creates a new page table, which allocates, but panics because page allocator is not set up. Now let's actually set up an early page allocator. Allocator equals page allocator early. Let's field structure fields. So we start with kernel address and let's also align this up. Well, actually, I mean I don't have to. It's gonna align stuff with itself and so on. So boot info I can do boot info. This is a reference as pointer to boot information. Well, I can just I can just do s underscore actually. Now, is it gonna fail with lifetimes? It is gonna fail with lifetimes. It is gonna fail terribly with lifetimes. I don't know where to get lifetime. Dynamic sized structures, that's interesting. Well, I know the lifetime, but like, how can how can I unsafely like I know that I'm not gonna use, so I know that the structure is gonna live to the end of this function. I know this enum variant is gonna live only during this function. I mean, like ideally I would make it local, but I have a global allocator, so I can't. I mean, you know what actually? I mean, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Core mem. Can just transmute, I guess. Like I'm oh my god, I'm transmuting a reference. Well, a pointer to get rid of lifetimes. That's so annoying. I feel terrible. Okay, so not yet implemented. I feel terrible for this line, but I don't know. I mean, I think I might know how to fix it. I think I might know how to fix it actually. This is the address space. Here we have all those mapping functions. I could pass an allocator to all of them. That's gonna be a bit annoying. Maybe I should do a set. I mean, I can't do a set allocator. I mean, I can actually do a set allocator, you know. What? Type allocator, which is gonna be page allocator. This is allocator. So fn set current page allocator set allocator. Should it take it? Oh, this should be taking self. Get current page allocator. So let's do self and then a mute version. Self returns allocator. Allocator mute. That mutable reference. So this is gonna take mutable self and return mutable allocator, and I know I need to do self colon here. I constantly forget this. I'm constantly forgetting this for associated items. Now, so I assume we have that. Assuming we have that. I mean, I don't really need those last two functions, but I guess I'm gonna do this. Anyway, so memory, where is it? Paging address space, that's what I need. So I'm gonna put an implementation of those fields here. Type allocator b super page alloc. Oh my god, alloc. Well, actually, mod. So I am using. Should be using address space. Should I even do pub to super this? Public to x86. Address space, and let's do up to super use look allocator page allocator. So let's do pub to super. Should this work like that? Can I propagate it? Oh, enum. I mean, should it be an enum really? Shouldn't really be an enum, or should it be a trait object? Oh, and I don't have a page allocator trait yet. Trait page allocator. Allocator can allocate pages of set size. I mean, should I really? Maybe I should even use dynamic dispatch, you know. I think I'm gonna keep enums though. Well, actually, yeah, I should probably use dynamic dispatch, you know. Oh, can I? I don't think I can actually. Okay, so I guess I'm not. So let's do fn alloc. I'm just gonna do alloc self, or let's do mutable self. Yeah, let's do mutable self. Or should it manage mutability by itself? No, maybe it should. Maybe it should. I'm not sure. So alloc self page size being. I don't know, should it be usize or should it be an actual page size? So I'm gonna create arch paging page size. That's like a valid thing. Oh, it's gonna return a physical address. Allocated and then free. Parawa. Thank you for following. Wow, I forgot the sound to be honest. So free address. Let's say other. Free is other. No, it's not gonna return anything. Allocate a single page of size. Aligned to end of size page size. Free the page allocated with alloc to self alloc. Let's do this. Okay, for some reason I can't. Maybe I should page allocator. Yes, it works now. Now I guess let's just do super page allocator. No, address space. Address space just holds a physical address, and I'm not even sure of a physical address of what. I think it's a physical address of the of the top level page. Should I do pub page allocator? I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna do that probably. Okay, no. I'm gonna do get allocator only. And everything else can be like platform specific. So this should allow me to allocate pages, I guess. Links layer map page. I mean, I don't even need it, to be honest. I don't even need this function. And I don't really need this trait either. I'm gonna get rid of them. So I guess I'm just gonna store a page allocator in here. And so where am I allocating stuff? So here I'm not gonna have a alloc function. I'm gonna have them on the allocator. So I'm not gonna have a single allocator anymore. I mean, I do need a single allocator actually. Or do I? That's what I'm gonna keep, I guess. So let me do symbols, then let me trim, and then let's say this is a page allocator. Impl page allocator. I mean, I kinda need it. Okay, so I kinda do need those traits and stuff. I can't bring it back. Remove the trait, now I want it back. So page allocator trait. Pub trait page allocator. Now this is gonna be have an alloc regular self allocate a single page. And yes, I'm saying interior mutability because it should work across multiple threads or whatever. I mean, address space should also do that, I guess. I'll keep it mutable for now. Aligned to end of size page size. Page size being read arch paging page size. Okay, so it returns a physical address. This is the page allocated with asterisk to the end. Hide Ninja. What? What do you mean asterisk? So free. Let's do address physical address. Let's also provide page size. ILLL triple L. Aligned to end is wrong. No, it's not the end. It's aligned to page size, end of size page size. Should I put a dash? It's like putting a dash to the end of this words. Will it help? Like, will the dash help me explain it better? I'm not sure, honestly. Doesn't help. Okay, let's do align to page size, end of size page size. Just repeat it. Type allocator trait page allocator of trait implement trait allocator type. Yeah, we're just gonna trait it all right for now. Get allocator, get current page heater. So self is gonna return or self reference to self. It didn't last that long. Oh wow, that is a lot. I mean, it's 12 January 12th. It's like half of a month. Actually, an entire year. Yeah. I don't even have a hat anymore. I mean, I do have it lying somewhere, but I'm not wearing it anymore. Get a look. Run away as fast as you can. Yeah. Also type allocator equals super each allocator. Let's do FN get allocator self alloc wait self dot to whatever, and this would be a reference. Whatever. Let's not talk about that camel fight. Oh my god, I forgot about fighting. It's not bank fight though. You're gonna fight yourself, by the way. I mean, I can help you with that. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna throw them around the scene. A few more. One here, one in between. Can I? Oh my god, I can't. Okay. It's punch. It's bank punch and bank fire. Actually, to fire you need to pay. I will dispound already. Don't worry. Oh, camel won't stand for long. Can throw a bit more fire on it. Oh. Okay, a camel will not survive this. Wait, this tiny piece is still here. Ah, collisions. Okay, this tiny piece is not here anymore. Okay, camel is done. Camel burnt down. Set entry, page size, whatever. Okay, so I added those traits. Now impl. Okay, so I'm gonna implement the allocator for this. Okay, so page allocator trait. Release, and let's do match self. I mean, ideally I would have different types, but I can't really. And for free, I'm not even gonna do the free yet. So I'm gonna copy paste this here, just for it to be there. You can't punch your own plushes. The fireworks. Oh my god, everything's burning. It's kinda easy. You say it's kinda easy? Interesting. So memory, wait. So yeah, we have the traits. Should I rename page allocator to page manager? By the way, I mean, because it's gonna be a bit more than allocator. Um, Dune the building system, the build system. Okay, so maybe I should move it to like the root, because pretty much platform independent. Wrap use 64. Can I do this? No. Or into this, or in this struct to display it with size x. Keep maybe it's C. Now format size. What's the thing? Oops. So I'll do some renaming, I guess. I mean, I do need page info table. Probably on all platforms. Probably. Let me think. Let me think. So I can't really put anywhere a method that's gonna return the page info table. It pretty much has to be like static. By the way, it's 100 followers again. Let's go. It's not the goal yet. The goal is 2 to the 7th power. No. Anyway, so I should. So we'll be wrapping this in spins, in spin whatever. Docs spin. So spin is basically like mutex and stuff. Render wlock and other things. Sync one cell, sync lazy, whatever. Mutex. Why do you like need a single read guard? No, it should be RW lock. Should probably be RW lock. Or actually it should be atomic. It should even be atomic. You know what? You know, it should be atomic U32. So then I don't need it to be a thing. Like how does atomic U32 How does this thing work? You can do new, you can from pointer, whatever. Returns a mutable reference to an underlying integer. The reference guarantees that no other threads are oh wait, mutable reference to self. From mutable reference gets slice. What? From mutable slice into inner load. Okay, so I can store. Okay, it takes self as a mutable, which makes total sense. I'm kind of running low on water. So page info. Kernel page info struct. I need a page info table. What can I? Use superstar. Do I really need that? Let's do pub mode address space. We create that. Come on. So I'm gonna move all of this to the address space. Okay, so yeah, I'm probably gonna remove the straight again. Let's do also this public re-export stuff. Address space. So we'll have address space straight. Then what else? Oh my god, come on. Comma space. Huh. Rust, come on. Mapping error, mapping flags, mapping result. What's pub use? So yeah, I don't need public use here. Mapping error, mapping flags, mapping result, page allocator. So mapping stuff, page allocator is not gonna be a thing. Okay, so now we have format, we have page info table. So we need a way to allocate page info table. That's what I'm. That's the problem, the problematic part. True, Nigel, true. So true. So I need a page info table. I need to somehow get it. Well, it's just a slice, but I need to somehow map it. That's a problem. That's the hard part. Dynamic dispatch safety. Is there a thing like? Is there a thing as dynamic dispatch safety? Is there even a thing? Beautiful. I don't know what this emote is. I mean, emoji, whatever. Combination of characters. So allocator. I need to remove it. So I don't know how to beautifully do this. So we have an x86 mod res. Well, yeah, we have interrupt stuff. Then we have paging stuff. Stop paging. We'll enable page size extension. And then set up page info table. So I need to somehow, like only thing this function was meant to do is just memory map enough pages into the address space, which is easy. It should be easy. Come on. I need to structure it though. I need to structure it cleanly. So I should probably add a function. Public function or something. Let me actually rename page alloc to page info table. Now, have address stuff, page info table, page allocator. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep the address space though. Public to super. Why might not even make it like actually public? Public struct. I mean, kind of because I can't really have it public. So allocator and get allocator is not a thing. But so I don't know. Not sure. Address space, memory, this address space. I can close that. So temporary page and page table entry, address space, and then we have page info table. So I need to provide this function first of all, and that's gonna return. Well, should it be a function? I don't even know. So it should return a slice of page info, and it's immutable because yeah, because concurrency and other things. So overlay crashed. I see. What? XTB unknown sequence numbers while awaiting replies. You called X init threads. This is not your fault. Aborting. Sorry about that. What? That's interesting. That's interesting. XTB is like X11 library, I think. So I have X11 right now. Or those just in X11 mode. That is interesting. A BIOS. Wait, boys. I just read it as BIOS. Oh my god. Even restart the engine. What's TCG? Generous mix-up between several other ones. What's a TCG? Oh my god. I was saying oh my god too many times. Oh, you don't know either. I see something like familiar to me. Trading card game. I still don't quite know what it is. Making a game as a birthday present is an interesting idea. You need to ensure that the person you're making it for though likes gaming. Well, just likes games like that. Something. He still doesn't say me anything. for Magic the Gathering. Or okay, Pokemon. Now I see. No, from the third time. That's I see. I think I know what you mean now. MTG. Mind test game. Just kidding. Whatever. I mean, card trading game. It's like, isn't it hard to make? Well, trading card game. That's different conditions. Like, you need people to trade with, don't you? Who are you gonna trade with? Sometimes they have special ability. Pretty simple, right? Also, the public, let's do static mute page info. How do I handle page allocation? It's virtual like Hearthstone. So page info table. It's gonna be a slice. Well, it's could I do? Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it as a pointer. So I can do a slice or slice from what's the point of this? Oh wait, from refers to team to a slice length 1. Makes sense. From mute pointer range. Wow, pointer range, that's interesting. From raw parts mute. Well, I don't need it to be mutable. So I can do either from pointer range or from raw parts, which is still unsafe. That will be that hard. That it will be that hard. The hardest will be cards with proper texts and rarity the background color. I mean, it's virtual like Hearthstone. Like if it's still virtual, if it's virtual, is it just like bots or? Because you need people, you still need people to trade with. If it's a trading card game. With Phaser.js. I don't know what this is. I usually, if I make a game in JavaScript, I usually make a I usually use a JavaScript canvas or a HTML5 canvas. What is this? Game framework. I'm assuming this website was made with this. Well, actually, probably no. Okay, so I see stuff moving, whatever. Code example. Oh my god. An editor. And against each other. Views reacts well to That's interesting. Yeah, I guess you can make that. I mean, creating cards shouldn't be that hard. If I was making something like this, it would be probably like making cards, writing, just creating cards would probably be like the most fun stuff. The most fun, oh my god, fun part. Core PTR null. Well, can I actually do this? I can actually do this safely. Wow. Page info table. I know for sure it shouldn't be accessed. I want to draw everything. This reminds me of like I did a React marathon where we made a Pokemon game with cards and stuff. Well, I don't really remember how it worked. I don't think. Oh my god, frames again. No. My internet provider, join the stream, please. Stop hating me so much. See, I did a React marathon. I was learning React JS, and oh my god, why is it so red? What's wrong with my white balance? It's actually wrong. And oh my god, stop skipping frames. Yes. You mean that's not gonna... Oh wait, this is gonna help. Huh? I don't get it. So I was doing like... We used React. We used React and JavaScript text, and I mean for cards, using like HTML for a card and not canvas drawing might be a good idea. Unless you like hand drawing all the cards actually. In this case, still HTML to get the text feels to me right. Feels right. Ads are in progress. So here I should probably put something that could save from allocating and stuff. Let's do pub fn early allocator, which is gonna return each. You know what? Maybe I should put stuff here. Size of one page. Maybe I should put a page get page info table address and page info table. It's not gonna take self. It's gonna return slice of page info. Okay, so yeah, it's hard. Turn super page info table. Wait, that's not how you do stuff. That's not how you do Rust. Slice of page info. And yeah, I'm not sure. This function, yes, function exists. So here, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna make it public. Make this public to super. So let page info table is this, and if page info table empty, panic, page info table is not set up yet, else I'm gonna return page info table. Sorry for formatting, please reformat. Come on. No. No, I should be able to. So we'll have public to super. An address space. We'll have a page allocator optional. For what do you need else? Yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to write it like that. Like in Rust, this whole thing is a tail expression, and like why I'm writing it like that is potentially in the future, which is not gonna happen, but I'm almost sure, I could replace this branch by I don't know, creating a page info table and returning it. instead of a panic. Like potentially could replace it in the future. But I mean, I just tried it like that. So this is gonna be optional early page allocator, which is gonna be super page info table table. Yeah, let's create that, I guess. So instead of enum, we're gonna have a struct. Which is gonna have two of those things. This is gonna hold a lifetime. Oh no, let's not. Oh no. Let's do a lifetime A. Actually, boot information, can I? What? Oh, what's wrong? Reference, oh, reference const. Can I actually clone this? Wrapper transparent. So I should be able to copy it, right? Just implement clone. I feel like it should implement copy. I feel like it should be copyable. Clone. I guess it's not. Wait. So I bring this back, I guess. I guess I have to. So yeah, I'm adding a lot of lifetimes. Lifetime A. Why? That doesn't. That's not nice. That's not nice. Lifetime underscore. Wait. Let's do anonymous lifetime here as well. I mean, yeah, that's pretty annoying. Guess fine. I mean, like, it's like one singular case where I needed that, and now I have to. I have to do that. Anyway, so early page allocator. It's not a thing anymore. Early page allocator. So there's gonna be a lock. This is not gonna be free because it's early page allocator. And I'm gonna leave to do here for now. There's design stuff. Okay, see, I have that. And I'll have set up thingy sum of early page allocator. Now field structure fields. Boot info I can pass. Alloc start is gonna be this. Where is it? Now I'm getting the address space, getting address limit. Now I'm gonna have to create this thing. When I can remove that. It's gonna build, it's not gonna build. Yeah, it's not gonna build. Page info table. Okay, where's the address space expected lifetime parameter. Okay, that's gonna be a bit annoying. Static lifetime. I guess. I guess. Rust joke. Bang say bang. What? Oh, never say never. I was like, bang? What is this macro? A macro for some reason from them. Okay, I use so page info table. Oh my god, I feel like I'm complicating stuff a bit too much. So yeah, we have that address space. Let me remove the traits again. Then re-add it probably, maybe. Hopefully no. I think I'm actually gonna like actually just do a fan page alloc self. Just do well, alloc page like that. Page size is gonna be, hey, wanna suggest me, and it's gonna return physical address. Just to do here for now. Allocate a single page size, align to page size. So alloc page, then it's gonna be free page. Free a page allocated with self alloc page. This won't work. Address space trait. Now this will work. Now, you need to implement these functions. I wish I could. I wish I could like override them partially. Also in setup paging, in the address space here. I wish I could like fn alloc page if self one then to do whatever else to do else I'm gonna like I wish I could do self alloc page, but like the original implementation. Now default imp of function in trained, excuse me, trait. Use default function impl trait override. Possible to override default trait implementations. I mean, I don't need to override an implementation. Generic types, whatever. So yeah, we have that. So I want to do similar, but I want to use the method from the original. The problem is that I need to override it and call the original one. So I need, like, if I have this, if it's gonna be like some early page alloc. I can't even say the word early today. So I need to do something like, if there is a thing in self1, then I do something else I call the original implementation, which I can't. I guess I can't. I wish I could. Maybe I could do like well, no, even this even like this is probably gonna result in recursion. Because yeah, if I can even go to definition of this function gd, and it's gonna take me to the same place. So yeah, that's the problem. I don't know how to how I don't know. So I need to override default location. Default way of allocation. I feel like I'm gonna need it back. Because like I need an early allocator. I need an early page allocator that takes place while we can't yet use regular page allocation. Stack Overflow A, whatever. I feel like it's just impossible. Hey, Chromium's dead. I can't. Okay, that's annoying. Yeah, Chromium for some reason lately it's just so annoying to use. I can't click on a tab for whatever reason. I can use Control Shift Tab. I just can't click on the tab. It isn't possible directly now. RFC, whatever. Partial impl. Oh my god, partial implementations. That's still different though. Impulse specialization. What? It's merged? Hold on, partial impl is a thing? What? Merged February 2016. What? Which permits multiple impl blocks to apply to the same type trait. So one looks clearly more specific than the other one. What? Overlaps. What? Partial isn't even highlighted, so I guess it's not the thing. Default FN. I don't get it. I feel like this is a different question. No. Well, this isn't a trait. Yes, this is different. This isn't a trait. Because you have a separate trait here. And the foo method, original method, is still exists. Struct bar. Foo method. Impl foo for bar. Well, yes. Yeah, this thing. Look at Java code. Okay. Class B extends A. Yeah. That's well, yeah. Okay, fine. Concedes. I mean, sort of. It's not close. It's not even close. It's mentioned as an extension to it, and so on. We apply maybe in future. What? Do method. What? Uh, I mean, this is actually kinda possible, you know. I kinda can do this. Factors, composition, or inheritance. Um. Okay, so yeah, still I don't quite know what to do. So I clearly need the mechanism to allow for allocations before the page info table is available. So yeah, I clearly need something like that, but I still need I need to provide an allocator. Well, a default one. I just don't know. I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so should we bring back allocator? I mean, I can't just bring them back because we have so we can't do dynamic dispatch here because we don't have heap. I don't know. I kinda need it to be global. I kinda need it to be global. Just create like two functions separately. Just here, whatever, without having self or anything. We make them public. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. I guess I should provide like a global allocation interface somehow. Okay, let's maybe. So there's one problem. Is if I like early allocator doesn't have page info table, doesn't even have free, and I need like it's more than just page info table is more than just allocation. I want to override allocate though if there is an early one. You know, early alloc, and it's gonna take a page size, whatever. This could be. That could be a solution, but it puts too many methods into one trait, which means all of them have to be implemented in one file, which is kinda annoying. Early alloc page in early allocator. Page alloc table is available. Alloc page size option. Well, that's still like problematic. I needed to return a function. Get the early allocator. Page info table is already available. So it should return an optional function. Well, I don't even know. impl fn. I don't know. That takes a page size. One by default, I'm just gonna return none. I mean, this could probably work. I don't like that allocator is just a function. An allocating function. But I guess at the same time this method should be returning an option then as well. They put in the num here. Pop in num allocator. It's gonna have early, which is impl of. I mean, I can't put an impl of n here. So I need to somehow capture stuff. Whatever, create arch paging allocator. What's wrong? Expected the num variant. Huh? Am I doing something wrong? Oh wait, it's a semicolon, that's why. Then page info table, which will return a slice of page info. Page info table is not available yet. Then so we're gonna have page allocator allocator get the page allocator. It's 6 p.m. No. Oh, and since this is that, I should do static. So if it's available, it can be static at this point. Students page allocator. This could be it. Oh, and this has to have a function. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be a bit annoying. Cause like, I wish I could have traits for modules. Kinda. Page. Let me move all of this. Stand 3. So all of this is page allocation stuff. Just I'm just gonna move this here. Map. Oops. Mapping. This is gonna be page allocation. So page allocator is gonna return this alloc page match self page allocator. Oh, this should be taking self. And I'm not quite sure. Maybe this should be just all references. So this is what I'm gonna do now. Is kind of interesting, or at least try to. Page size table info table link please to do here. Oh, yeah, of course, semicolon. So here I'm gonna panic, saying can't free with early alloc page allocator. I mean, it's hard coded right now. I guess I'm gonna leave that for now. Or you know, I could do a type here. Okay, so that's gonna be interesting. So I'm doing everything in trades fashion. I don't really like this either. It's not even trades fashion, it's even worse. I'll do type leave page allocator. It's gonna be page allocator. I mean, I need just a function. Okay, so here. More lifetime problems. I don't even know at this point. I just don't know. Can I do, instead of this, can I just do like this? I don't know. I can't check. We don't have that yet. Self students let's gonna add each allocator enum here. This feels wrong. This feels totally wrong. So we have page allocator. So we're gonna match self 1, which is an early allocator. None is gonna return page info table. So we're gonna do create memory page allocator info table. Let's do page info table. No one can, I can remove that. So page allocator returns page info table, or I guess an early allocator. Can I build it by the way? Of course I can't. Oh my god, I don't even know where the thing is. Where the start is. So many errors. So many. Expected lifetime parameter, sure. Static. Return a vector. Vector is not a thing here, you know, in an OSTD environment. Early page allocator, yeah, that's annoying. Implement it. Lifetime, I don't care. That's what it's called. Okay, here. First is to constrain a trait object type with lifetimes or auto traits. Structures in them can't be bound in that way. Yeah, that's annoying. I don't know. I feel like I feel like giving up at this point. Only if you provide it. I cut out allocator. Like, I was using it for debug and it wasn't working well, so I cut it out in there. And I mean, I don't need vector. I don't need it to be a vector. It's not a problem. There's not. I don't like the design right now. It's all too complex, too messed up. Different, different ways all around the code base. Yeah, no, I wanted linked lists originally, but yeah, still, it's not like. I mean, we will need vectors actually. We will need them. We will need a log. We will need stuff. Well, probably it's not gonna be just a log. Well, I'm actually not sure how we're gonna do this, because yeah, we'll need dynamic locations. So it's a lot of code. Plus in Rust, I can just cargo add a crate, and I won't have to parse the whole multi-boot structure, which is yeah, I want that. That's why. That's another reason why. Anyway, right here, right now, vector is not the reason. I don't like the design of the thing. This is just a global trait, like arch implementation. And what am I gonna implement it for? I don't know. Okay, good. We're gonna be ending here. I hate you, Chromium. It's actually, I just can't click the tab. I have to Control Shift Tab, whatever. So we're gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna brainstorm a bit off stream, and maybe I'm gonna do it on off stream, maybe I'm gonna do it on the next stream. We've been live for 2 hours. Good enough for today. Good old wild RAM is going on. Didn't even know that. Cause I know T-Max, cause I wanted to know T-Max. I guess. Also, I'm changing terminals often. That's why, maybe. Alt Shift T, new window with command. Map Alt double in next window. Map Alt Shift Enter. Next layout. What? Hood rates. Anyone? I mean, I bet nobody's doing kernel dev except from me, and I can't type. Can't even. I can't even visit the tab bar. I can't click on the tab bar. Chrome is actually broken. I can use shortcuts, fortunately, but that's like Chromium is it's just broken at this point. Alkaline life. I mean, I know. I know, cause it's annoying. I know, cause I saw it in the raid browser. What should be?
That is
Rust Godot. New Twitch library release. Raid T2. I mean, I could. Yeah. I read him once. in this month. I guess, yeah. I'm gonna be ending. Thank you for joining. Oh, hold on, for 5 more seconds, and yeah. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be ending. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.